Savoury oregano sausage, bacon, and pillowy gnocchi. Ugh, proper midweek hero. Drizzle a splash of oil in a hot pan. In goes sausage, bacon, and mushrooms. Fry till browned and mushrooms are soft. Boil salted water, drop in the gnocchi. They float? Perfect, that's ready. Drain, drizzle with oil, no sticking here. Add passata, red wine stock paste, sugar and water to the meat. Bring to a boil, then simmer till thick and glossy. Stir in sun-dried tomato paste and half the cheese till melty. Season, then fold in the gnocchi. Halve ciabatta, smear on pesto and pop them into the oven till golden. Then slice into triangles. Dish up the gnocchi ragu, sprinkle cheese, top with rocket and finish with balsamic glaze. Oh, proper hearty, proper comforting. Dinner sorted. If you liked that one, hit share and come back for more quick kitchen wins.